Here is how you can clear Epic Games Launcher cache on Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can clear Epic Games Launcher cache on Windows. So let's start. First of all, close the Epic Games Launcher and then end all of its tasks. In order to do that, go to the search option on the taskbar and then type Task Manager. As you open Task Manager, search for Epic Games Launcher. Then after, right click on Epic Games Launcher and then click on End Task. After you do that, open your File Explorer. Then after, on the home screen, tap on the search bar and then type %local app data and then % once again. Search for it. Now among the options, find Epic Games Launcher and then open it. After that, go to Save. Then you will find this web cache folder. Delete this folder. After you delete the web cache folder, close this window and open Epic Games Launcher once again. So in this way you can easily clear Epic Games Launcher cache on Windows. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.